Hello friends, welcome to the Techlizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about triple racing monitor stand for 32-inch monitors. So friend, triple racing monitor stand is capable of supporting three displays simultaneously, and the stand is designed to accommodate displays up to 32-inch in size with a maximum load capacity of 20 kg per display, summing up to total capacity of 50 kg, and the stand is compatible with VESA mount size of 75 by 75 mm, 100 by 100 mm, and 200 by 100 mm and 200 by 200 mm. This product features adjustable settings including a height range of 9200 to 9700 mm and arm angle that can be altered up to 60 degrees. For efficient storage, the arms of the stand can be folded when the unit is not in orientation. And friend, constructed from power-coated steel, the frame is robust and can also support single or dual displays up to 55-inch. And the racing monitor stand is particularly suitable for use with Thermaltake's GR500 racing cockpit, which features a bucket seat to enhance the immersive experience of racing simulation. This combination provides an optimized setup for gaming enthusiasts seeking a comprehensive and immersive racing game environment. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.